A very warm good morning to one and all present here. This is SP Varsha and Devendra Mittal from 4th year. As we all know, we have gathered here for the celebration of the auspicious festive Dashera.
Dasara is all about the Rama's victory over demon, Ravana, or alternatively, it symbolizes the triumph of good over evil.
In the eastern states of India, people worship and decorate idols of Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, along with Lord Ganesha and Vishwakarma. And in other parts, fireworks and burning of large effigies of Ravana marks the festivities of Dashera. But this year, though the celebration would be a bit different due to unavoidable circumstances, but the enthusiasm will remain the same.
Beginning with our event, we now request to our respected director sir, light the lamp and enlighten us with few words. Thank you so much, sir, for such a wise word. It was truly enlightening. Now, I would like to hand over a further event to those who are the form of Devi Durga in the present world and your host, Jessica Goma and Himani Malasi from 2nd year.
थैंक यू देव सर। चलिए इवेंट को आगे बढ़ाते हैं और बुलाते हैं मेरी को होस्ट और मेरी दोस्त हिमानी को।
नमस्ते दोस्तों, नवरात्रि में हमने गरबा देखा है, हमने डांडिया देखा है और अब आइए चलते हैं हमारे उस कार्यक्रम की ओर जो हमारी संस्कृति का सरोताज है।
Beginning with our very first event performed by Dhanya ma'am, a beautiful dance form on Aigiri Nandini song.
What a graceful performance it was. अच्छा ऋषिका, तूने एक बात नोटिस की?
क्या?
धान्या मैम थोड़ी सी मोटी हो गई हैं। So our next performance is on 9 form of Durga, who are the symbol of love, care and as well as strength.
वो शक्ति का स्वरूप है, जग में भक्ति का रूप है, वो हर संकट में साथ दे तेरा, वो सरस्वती, काली, दुर्गा भी नारी का रूप है. We gladly welcome you all for the celebration of one of the most popular festival in known human history. Happy Dashera to all. जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, भारत एक पुरुष प्रधान देश है, लेकिन फिर भी यहाँ ममता, त्याग, सुख, समृद्धि के लिए हम नारियों के रूप में देवियों की पूजा करते हैं. आइए चलते हैं दशहरा के विश्व दिन के सफर में. Om Devi Shailputri. Shailputri is a manifestation of Hindu goddess Durga and is one of the most Navdurgas venerated during the first day of Navratri. The festival begins with a bright and vibrant orange. This color signifies energy and happiness.
कठोर तप और ध्यान की देवी ब्रह्मचारिणी माँ दुर्गा का दूसरा रूप है. इनकी उपासना नवरात्रि के दूसरे दिन की जाती है. इस दिन माँ के सभी भक्त सफ़ेद रंग के वस्त्र धारण करते हैं. यह रंग शांति और शुद्धता का प्रतीक है.
Chandraghanta is the third form of goddess Durga, Parvati. Her name Chandraghanta means one who has the half moon shaped like bell. Her third eye is always open and she is always ready for wars against demons. People wear red color on the third day of Navratri.
नवरात्रि पूजन के चौथे दिन कुष्मांडा देवी के स्वरूप की उपासना की जाती है. चौथे दिन का रंग नीला है, जो कि स्वस्थ जीवन और समृद्धि के लिए माना जाता है. जय माँ कुष्मांडा.
Skandamata is the fifth form of goddess Durga. Her worship takes place on the fifth day of Navratri. People wear yellow color on the fifth day. It stands for happiness and brightness. Frijo. She regularly known as goddess of fire.
कात्यायनी नव दुर्गा के 9 रूपों में छठा रूप है. छठवें दिन का रंग हरा है, जो कि एक नई शुरुआत के लिए माना जाता है. जय कात्यायनी माँ.
माँ दुर्गा का सातवां रूप कालरात्रि. माँ काली is known for her strength, courage, power, aggression, and at last but not the least, goods over evil. The color of the day is grey, signifying strength of transforming.
दुर्गा जी की 8वीं शक्ति का नाम महागौरी है. माँ दुर्गा को बैंगनी रंग समर्पण किया गया है. माँ महागौरी को गणेश जी की माँ के रूप से भी जाना जाता है. दुर्गा पूजा के 8वें दिन महागौरी की उपासना का विधान है.
Siddhidatri Mata is the 9th form of goddess Durga. The meaning of her name is as follows. Siddhi means supernatural powers and Dhatri means giver or awarder. She is worshipped on the 9th day of Navratri.
स्वभाव देखकर नारी को तुम ना कमजोर समझो, नारी को शक्ति स्वरूपा समझो. Women have always been the strongest one in the whole world. आइए देखें किस तरह नारी इस आधुनिक समय में भी आगे बढ़कर अपने कर्तव्यों और गरिमा को निभा रही है.
तू ही तू, तू ही तू, तू ही तू, तू ही तू, ममता भी तू, क्षमता भी तू, चंचल भी तू, नटखट भी तू, आंचल भी तू, बादल भी तू, मेरा आज तू, मेरा कल भी तू, दुर्गा भी तू, लक्ष्मी भी तू, तू सरस्वती, काली भी तू, तू ही 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 तू.
Now looking forward to the vital role of women in history.
युगों युगों से विख्यात कथा है किस तरह श्री राम ने अपने काल में देवी दुर्गा की आराधना कर और उनके आशीर्वाद सहित दशानन रावण का वध किया तथा असत्य पे सत्य की जीत का प्रमाण दिया। दशहरा का उत्सव शक्ति और भक्ति का समन्वय बताने वाला उत्सव है। This festival is the symbol of Shakti, as Vijayadashmi is the last day of the Dashera festival, where goddesses are worshipped during Navratri. People should take the spirit forward by working toward furthering the empowerment of women, as well as protecting their dignity. Thank you everyone and happy Dashera to all.
हमारे ट्रेडिशन में हमेशा से देवियों को पूजा जाता है, पर जो देवी का स्वरूप है उन्हें वो जगह नहीं दी जाती है।
I agree. And this video really shows how important women are in this society. और सिर्फ आइडल्स की पूजा करके क्या होगा अगर उनके लिविंग फॉर्म को ही रिस्पेक्ट ना दी जाए।
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही कहा तुमने। चलो, इस पे काफी बातें हो गई है, अब चलते हैं अपने इवेंट पे आते हैं। So we will be having a quiz competition which will be played on 3 rounds before each competition.
After adding the points of the answers told for all the 16 questions, the winner will be decided.
हर क्वेश्चन पे एक टाइमर सेट होगा एंड होने तक आपको चैट में आंसर लिखने होंगे और फर्स्ट 5 करेक्ट आंसर्स को ही पॉइंट मिले जाएंगे।
So, beginning with our first part, which includes aptitude test and renewing our school memories. All the best to all of you.
Aptitude test.
Round 1. Each questions carry 1 marks. Question number 1. Which of the following letter shows the northeast direction? And the answer is C.
Moving on to the next question. Question number 2. Identify the elevation of the given problem. And the answer is option D.
Question number 3. Identify the total number of triangles given in the figure. And the answer is 16.
Question number 4. Identify the correct figure which can replace the question mark from the given choices. And the correct answer is option B.
Question number 5. Identify the number which can replace the question mark. And the answer is 51.
Well done, guys.
Then we have our best out of waste competition and craft competition. So our first participant is Chi.
अब ये ची कौन है?
अरे प्राची.
बस किसी को हंसी नहीं आई.
Okay. So our first participant is Prachi Singh from second year. Well done, Prachi.
Now, second participant is Manshi ma'am from third year.
Hello everyone, my name is Manshi and I would really like to thank the Dashera group for conducting such a wonderful event. So these are the small competitions that actually adds value to our skills and makes us realize that we can do things other than academics also. Thank you so much.
Well done, ma'am.
Now we have our third participant, Pakhi ma'am from third year.
Hello everyone, this is Pakhi from third year and I had participated in the Best Out of Waste competition. It was a great thought and a wonderful start to a creative journey. So thank you everyone.
Wow, it's amazing.
तो अगला पार्टिसिपेंट है हमारा भाई.
कौन? सलमान भाई?
अरे नहीं, अंजलि भाई. Now our fourth participant is Anjali Prasad from second year.
Anjali from BARC second year, and the competitions were very interesting and amazing and also well coordinated.
Wow.
Last but not the least, we have Ashish sir from third year. Well done, sir. It's making me excited just by watching them do so.
Moving on to the remaining questions of our first round of quiz competition.
Moving on to our next question. Question number 6. Identify the number which can replace the question mark. And the answer is 66.
Question number 7. Complete the given diagram. And the answer is B.
Question number 8. Start at one of the corner letters and move clockwise around the square finishing to center to create a 9-letter word. And the answer is abstracts.
Question number 9. Identify the number which can replace the question mark. And the answer is 36.
And the next question is question number 10. Solve the logic problem. And the answer is 4.
Let's have a look upon our face painting competition, which is entitled with the theme of Dashera. तो हमारा पहला पार्टिसिपेंट वो है जिन्हें हमने हमेशा गुनगुनाते सुना है। बता ऋषिका, कौन?
ओह, अच्छा समझ गई। प्रखर सर फ्रॉम 3rd ईयर।
Hey guys, Prakhar Tripathi this side. I too took part in face painting competition. This was a new experience for me because this time we have to do it online. So I enjoyed it. Thank you. देखते हैं क्या होता है. पार्टिसिपेट तो किया है. जैसे कि सभी कहते हैं, मैं भी कह देता हूँ. Participation must. Don't care about the result. Thank you.
वाओ, अब हमारी अगली पार्टिसिपेंट है वो जो है हमारी क्लास की टॉपर। बता हिमानी कौन?
अरे ये भी कोई पूछने वाली बात है। प्रियंका चौरसिया फ्रॉम सेकंड ईयर।
Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Chaurasia from second year. I am participating in face painting competition. That is very wonderful experience for me.
वेल डन प्रियंका। अब है हमारा अगला पार्टिसिपेंट। मैं सोच रही हूँ इसने पार्ट क्यों लिया। शायद लॉकडाउन में कुछ अच्छा सीखा होगा।
इतनी तारीफ तो तू मेरी ही कर सकती है।
सही कहा। Our third participant is Rishika Goma from second year. Well done, Rishika. It's amazing.
Now we have our next participant, our talented friend Aprajita Gairola from second year.
second year student. I take part in this face painting competition.
Well done, Aprajita.
So, our next participant is अरे हिमानी, इसमें तो तेरा नाम लिखा है, तूने भी पार्ट लिया है?
अरे हाँ, मैंने भी पार्ट लिया है.
Oh, so our next participant is हिमानी मलासी from second year. आइए देखते हैं इसने लॉकडाउन में क्या सीखा है.
Hello everyone, happy Dashera to all. I am Himani Malasi from second year and I am participating in face painting competition. The theme is Dashera.
Well done, Himani.
So, at the end of the face painting competition, we have Manisha Kumari from second year.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम मनीषा फ्रॉम सेकेंड ईयर एंड मेरे फेस पेंटिंग का थीम है दशहरा, जिसमें मैंने हाफ ऑफ फेस दुर्गा लुक क्रिएट किया है एंड हाफ ऑफ फेस थोड़ा नेचुरल फ्लावर्स ऐड किए जो थोड़ा डिवोशनल फील देता है. दैट्स ऑल.
Wow, Manisha.
They all were so mesmerizing. We wish you all the best of luck. Let's begin with our next round of quiz competition, round 2.
In this round, we have general awareness questions. All the best, guys.
General awareness.
Round 2. Each question carry 2 marks. Question number 1. Which order it is? And the answer is ionic order.
Question number 2. Who is awarded with Pritzker Prize in 2020? And the answer is architect Johan Farrell and architect Shelley McNamara.
Question number 3. These structures are built in ancient Mesopotamia. They are called. And the answer is ziggurat.
Moving on to our next question. Question number 4. Which civilization in ancient India had advanced drainage system? And the answer is option A, Indus.
Question number 5. Who was the architect of this building? And the answer is Fariburj Saba.
Now next, we have tattoo competition entitled with the theme of goods over evils.
Our first participant is Bhanu sir from third year.
Hello everyone, I Bhanu of third year. I took part in tattoo competition which was very well organized by the Dashaira group and it was fun. The coordination was too good and I enjoyed my part and I hope I win.
Well done, Bhanu sir. Our next participant is GV sir from third year.
everyone, this is Jivdesh. So I have recently participated in tattoo making competition. It was a wonderful experience, and I'm really saying that I have never participated in any competitions in schools also. This is the first time I have participated. It's a really great experience, and I enjoyed a lot while making the tattoo. That's all. Be safe.
That was so good. Now we have Joel sir from third year.
Hi, this is George Johnson Verghese from the third year batch, and I recently took part in the tattoo making competition. It was worth my time, and I really liked it, and it was an opportunity for me to showcase my talents.
Wow. Next participant is Sufyan sir from third year.
Hey everyone, this is Sufyan Ahmed from third year. I recently participated in the tattoo making competition, and I would like to say the competition was conducted brilliantly, and I really enjoyed being a part of it.
Amazing. Now we have Prakriti ma'am from third year.
Hi everyone, this is Prakriti, and I participated in tattoo making and had a great experience. The topic was really nice, and yes, thank you for that.
Well done, ma'am. At last, we have Ritesh Basari from second year.
समझदारी, जिसको समझने के लिए समझदारी चाहिए।
Now we have Paheli round from quiz.
Moving on to our next and last round for entertainment. खरीदने पर काला, जलने पर लाल, फेंकने पर सफेद, बताओ क्या है? And the answer is कोयला.
Moving on to our last competition, that is Rangoli competition, which is entitled with the theme of Navratri.
Rangoli are unique to Indian culture. They symbolize festivities, cheer, and general sense of wellness around us. No Indian festival is complete without Rangoli. Let's have a look upon their creativity. So our first participant is Pakhi ma'am from 3rd year.
Hello everyone, this is Pakhi from 3rd year and I had participated in the Rangoli competition. It was a great event, wonderfully organized by our Dashera group. So thank you all.
That was so beautiful, Pakhi ma'am. Next we have Manisha Kumari from 2nd year.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम मनीषा फ्रॉम 2nd year एंड मेरे रंगोली का थीम है नवरात्रि। जिसमें मैंने एक लेडी बनाया विद डांडिया, जो कि डांडिया नवरात्रि का मेन ट्रेडिशनल डांस होता है, जो उसको शो कर रहा है। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू।
Beautiful. Now we have Arun sir from 3rd year.
I am Arun in 3rd year 5th sem of Ganga Institute of Architecture and Town Planning. Now, I am happy to participate in the Rangoli competitions. Most exciting thing in the Rangoli competition is by online mode, or we can say that the Rangoli competition is online. Online Rangoli competition is completely awesome. We are excited and we are enjoy each and every time during the Rangoli, making a Rangoli. Now thank you.
Wow, best of luck to all of you. I guess it will be a bit difficult for all the judges to announce the winners. Moving on to a very beautiful song sung by Himani Malasi and Uday Prasad on Ragta.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे हैं ना ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला आबुदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे हैं ना ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला तू जो मिला तू जो मिला मैं पानी जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया गुजरता सा लम्हा एक दामन भर गया तेरा नजारा मिला रोशन सितारा मिला
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उससे रब का इशारा मान मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता
जाना तेरा, मान जाना मेरा, ढूंढते तेरी हंसी मिल गई खुशी। राह हूँ मैं तेरी, रूह है तू मेरी, ढूंढते तेरे निशान मिल गई खुदी।
मेहरबानी जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया, गुजरता सा लम्हा एक दामन भर गया। तेरा नजारा मिला, रोशन सितारा मिला, तू जो मिला तो हो गया मैं काबिल।
That was really very soothing. Thank you both of you for singing a song so beautifully.
Thank you so much, Rishika.